Hello and welcome back to the session on material handling and facilities planning. In this session, we will see the types of material handling equipment. A material handling equipment is used for the movement and storage of material within a facility or at a site. The equipment can be manually operated one or it can be a power actuated one. Based upon the path followed by the material, we can classify this material handling equipment into two categories. One, it is a fixed path equipment, and the second one, it is a variable path equipment. In the fixed path equipment, the path will be always fixed and the equipment has to follow that path. For this kind of application, we can use elevators, conveyors, wire-guided AGVs. The second one, it is a variable path equipment. The equipment can take any path. It can be altered as the requirement. For this application, we can use trolleys, trucks, tree-ranging AGVs. The material handling equipment can fall into these five categories. One, it can be a transport equipment, positioning equipment, unit load formation equipment, storage equipment, identification and control equipment. The transport equipment is one which is used to move material from one location to another. That is, between workplaces, between a loading dock and a storage area, etc. And of course, we can transport material manually also without an equipment. And the second one, it is a positioning equipment. This equipment is used to handle material at a single location so that it is in the correct position for subsequent handling, machining, transport or storage. And the third one, it is unit load formation equipment. The equipment is used to restrict materials so that they maintain their integrity when handled a single load during transport and for storage. And this figure shows the positioning equipment, that is a rotary index table. Then we have the storage equipment, and this equipment is used for holding or buffering materials over a period of time. And then it is the identification and control equipment. This equipment is used to collect and communicate the information that is used to coordinate the flow of material within a facility and between a facility and its suppliers and customers. Now, this shows the transport equipments. It can be conveyors. Conveyors are this fixed path movement. And these are the types of conveyors we are having: chute, wheel, roller, chain, etc. All this fall into the conveyors. Then we have this crane, jib crane, bridge crane, and all these are cranes. And then we have this industrial trucks. And finally, the no equipment, that is, it is not a machine, it can be manually transported. That is transport equipment. And then we have this positioning equipment. The example, these are all positioning equipment. The last one we can see an industrial robot, that is also acting as a positioning equipment. And then we have this unit load formation equipment. These are the unit load formation equipment. We can see bags and pallets are unit load formation equipments. Then we have the storage equipments, that is drive-in rack and cantilever rack. All these are storage equipments. The last one, it is the identification and control equipments. That is barcodes, radio frequency identification tags, voice recognition, magnetic strips. All these are identification and control equipments. So in this session, we have seen the classifications of material handling equipments. Thank you.